Hello Mampos, it's MJ with Love. Welcome to my channel. It's another video, and today I'm so excited to share with you the best salmon recipe. Please stick around and enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, this is our lovely salmon, cilantro, green onions, and these are the ingredients. What do we have here? Curry powder, simbambili, Maggi. What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna put it for you guys to read. Soy sauce, all-purpose something, green lemon, ginger, garlic. Yeah, hii unaweza ukatumia siagi yoyote ulionayo au butter. Yeah.
Vito, baby. Feelings, I can't lie, I remember feelings. Because you're so perfect and you're honest. Promise, see you've been working, I acknowledge. You gon' make me pull up on your father in the coupe, yeah, yeah. Make a move, if it's cool, marry you, yeah, yeah. God, I wanna thank you. Thank you for sending an angel.
Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe before you go. Thank you so much. See you next time.